like eagle. Bird's body is covered with feathers. If air animal's body is covered with feathers, then that animal is a bird. Butterfly, owl, butterfly and bat. Their body is not covered with feathers. They have only wings. So beta, keep this thing in your mind when you write the name of air animals. What I said, to write air animals name, don't write only birds. Beta, after writing the answer of question number 1, you leave one line. After leaving one line, start writing question number 2. Name the parts of an air animal's body that help it to fly. Again, name the parts of an air animal's body that help it to fly. And the answer is, do you remember? Very good, children. Good. Wings and feathers. Again, spell W-I-N-G-S, wings, and feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. Wings and feathers help an air animal to fly. Make sure your writing should be neat and your work should be tidy. Take care, beta. Very good morning to my dear children. Today we are going to do our last work of animals in the air. And last work is workbook page number 10. So very quickly you get ready to do this work with the teacher. We are going to enjoy it. Ji beta, this is our page number 10. Are you ready? Very good. Okay. Where are the birds? Question is, where are the birds? Don't forget beta, I told you birds have wings and feathers. Not only wings. Their body is covered with feathers. Circle the pictures of birds. Is it a bird? Yes, good children, we can see feathers here, wings and feathers. So we are going to circle this bird. What about this animal? Have you seen it flying through the air? No? Very good. Yes, it cannot fly because it doesn't have wings and feathers. So what about this? What are these? Wings. So is it a bird? No, it has wings but no feathers. So it is not a bird. So we are not going to circle it. What about this? Is it a bird? Good. Its body is covered with feathers and it has wings. We are going to circle. What about this? We can see wings but no feathers. So can't circle it. This one, yes, wings but no feathers. It is not a bird. What about this animal? Yes, it has wings but no feathers. It's a bat. Bat is not a bird. Bat is a mammal. Because, do you know what are mammals? Mammals lay eggs? No, mammals don't lay eggs. They give birth to their babies. But birds lay eggs. Bat give birth to their babies, don't lay eggs like birds. So we are not going to circle it. So this is a bird. Good. Here wings and feathers. We are going to circle this bird. Oh my God, can it fly? No. Good children. Are we going to circle it? No. Good. So what about this? Biggest bird in the world. It is too heavy. It is a bird but too heavy. That's why can't fly. Its body is covered with feathers and have wings. It is an ostrich. Beautiful bird. Peacock. Very colorful bird. Have wings and feathers. Lizard have wings? No. So don't circle it. What about penguin? Is it a bird? Yes. Yes, penguin is a bird. It has wings, but it can't fly because it's heavy and its wings are too short. Because of short wings and short wings, it can't fly, but it is a bird. Okay. Owl. Owl also have wings and feathers. And do you know? Look at its face. Its eyes are just in front, like human being, like your eyes. Your eyes are also in front. See other birds, their eyes are at the side. But this is an only bird. It has eyes in front. Fish? No. Yes, you know very well it is not a bird. It lives in water. And here also a bird. I think elephant is also a bird. No? Very good. It is not a bird. It is a land animal. Yes, parrot. Having wings and feathers. Frog. No wings, no feather. Don't circle. It is an amphibian. So eagle. Having wings and feathers. Duck also have wings and feathers. So what we did here, circle the pictures. We circled the pictures of birds. Okay, see birds here. Okay, don't circle insects and don't circle any amphibian, land animal. Okay, so beta, take care. See you next week.